Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. This is my first video on C++. I'll be covering all the topics from basic to advanced level, so stay tuned. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Troops Coding World. So first of all, let's talk about history of C++. C++ was developed by a Danish scientist in 1979 named Bjarne Sostrup. The initial name of C++ was kept C with classes because on top of C programming some extended features like classes and other features were added. So initially this name was kept and later this name was changed to C++. Alright, so let's talk about the uses. There are so many softwares which can be developed using C++ programming language. The most important is operating system development, like Windows operating system that is written in C++, and likewise so many operating systems are there. And if you want to develop video games, then you can use C++. Then you can build another programming language as well. You can develop embedded system software, and also you can develop any desktop applications like Adobe Photoshop. These all are desktop applications. Coming to features, C++ is a mid-level language. Mid-level language in the sense it can be used as a low-level language or it can be used as a high-level language. Low-level language means those languages which are machine dependent, those kind of softwares who interacts directly to the hardware like device driver, operating system, etc. And coming to high-level programming language, for example, while developing Adobe Photoshop, C++ was used as a high-level programming language because Adobe Photoshop is such kind of software who doesn't interact to hardware directly. It interacts to the operating system, then operating system interacts to the hardware. That's why it is called as a high-level programming language. And secondly, it supports POP, OOP generic programming. What does it mean? POP means procedure-oriented programming language. For example, C programming. C programming doesn't have any class concepts or any object concepts or whatever we have in our object-oriented guideline. No rules are used in C programming, and similarly, we can follow those rules, procedure-oriented rules. I mean, the traditional programming rules can be used in C++. So second one is object oriented programming, OOP. So this is the most important and strong feature of C++. In this topic, class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, these concepts will come. I'll be covering all these topics in the upcoming videos. And third one is generic programming. Generic programming means the concept of template. So I'll be covering this one as well in the upcoming video. So don't go anywhere, just stay tuned to all the videos one by one. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video whenever I upload. And if you have any queries or concerns or any suggestions to me, then you can leave your comment in the comment section below. I would definitely love to answer all. Thank you very much.